Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Live with Hassan Akhtar. Our today's lesson related to class 9th unit number 9. Name of the unit Introduction to Coordinate Geometry. Students, we will complete multiple choice questions. Before that, just to give you a review, we have already done the definition of distance formula. You all know that let P x1 y1 q x2 y2 be 2 points in the coordinate plane where d the length of line segment PQ denoted by absolute PQ is equal to d is defined as inside the root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is known as distance formula. Then you already completed midpoint formula. Here just we have a review that let Px1 y1 and Qx2 y2 be 2 points in the plane, then the midpoint Rxy of the line segment PQ is denoted by Rxy is equal to x1 plus x2 over 2 comma y1 plus y2 over 2, that is the sum of the x coordinates, and divided by 2, then sum of y coordinates divided by 2. Our first objective of unit number 9 is distance between points 0, 0 and 1, 1 is. Students, just apply the formula. It will be 1 minus 0 whole square plus 1 minus 0 whole square whole inside the root. Simplification will give you option D as the answer, and you can see option D is selected by just applying the distance formula. Again, in the second objective, distance formula is to be applied. You are asked to calculate the distance between the points 1, 0 and 0, 1. This time, students, you will be having 0 minus 1 whole square plus 1 minus 0 whole square. If you have a look at this, the situation is again same, that you will be having 1 whole square plus 1 whole square whole inside the root, that will be square root 2 and is considered as option C as the correct answer. Next, we have to answer that the midpoint of the points 2, 2 and 0, 0 will be option A is 1, 1, option B is 1, 0. Let's see what is option C. It is 0, 1 and the next one is minus 1, minus 1. Now look at this, 2 plus 0 over 2 will give you 1, and then again 2 plus 0 whole over 2 will again give you 1. That means option A is my correct answer in this case, as you can see here. The next, again you have to calculate the midpoint of the points 2, minus 2 and minus 2, 2. Very simple and very interesting. 2 plus minus 2 will give you 0, 0 over 2 you already know will be 0. Same will be the situation here. Minus 2 plus 2 will be 0 over 2 will again be 0, and that makes option C as my correct answer, as you can see over here. Going ahead to the next objective, that is objective number 5. A triangle having all sides equal is called. If you know the definitions, you are, before looking at the options, can answer that such kind of triangle is named as equilateral triangle. So you have just to see where is written equilateral. You can see in option C, and that must be the answer of this objective. You can see it is the answer. The last objective of this unit, as given in the book, a triangle having all sides different is called. You are clear about the definition, so without any hesitation I can select that a triangle having all sides different is known as a scalene triangle. Option B is the correct answer. You can see. Hope you have enjoyed these very short kind of question answers. Thank you very much.